I am going to demonstrate wall washing exercise for shoulder joint. This exercise will help to improve shoulder range of motion after surgery, will also helpful for the patient having frozen shoulder as well as shoulder impingement syndrome. For this exercise, you have to stand with the hand supporting on a towel, and then patient have to perform clockwise and counterclockwise circular motion by moving the hand on towel. Perform this exercise 3 to 5 times to increase shoulder range of motion. When pain subside and range of motion increase, patient can progress this activity by reaching upward and outward in diagonal plane without provoking symptoms.